Data warehouse versus data lake in 5 minutes. Companies generate massive amounts of data every single day. Customer purchases, website activity, mobile app usage, sales reports. But where does all that data actually go? Into a data warehouse or a data lake? And what's the difference? In this video, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible. A lot of beginners confuse data warehouses and data lakes because both store data, but they're designed for completely different purposes. Think of it like this. One is a clean, organized library. The other is a giant storage reservoir for raw information. Let's start with the data warehouse. A data warehouse stores structured and organized data that's ready for reporting and analytics. This is the type of data businesses use for dashboards, KPIs, and business intelligence. For example, sales reports, revenue tracking, executive dashboards. The data inside a warehouse is usually cleaned, transformed, and standardized before it gets stored. That makes it fast and efficient for analytics. Now let's talk about data lakes. A data lake stores raw data in its original format. That includes structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data like videos, images, logs, and social media content. Unlike a warehouse, the data doesn't need to be fully cleaned before storage. Think of a data lake like a huge digital reservoir where companies collect enormous amounts of raw information for future processing. Here's the biggest difference. A data warehouse is optimized for business analytics and reporting. A data lake is optimized for large-scale raw data storage and flexibility. Data warehouses are usually used by business analysts, executives, BI teams. Data lakes are often used by data engineers, data scientists, machine learning teams. In simple terms, warehouses are organized for decision-making. Lakes are flexible for exploration and future processing. Imagine a company like Amazon. Sales transactions and financial reports might go into a data warehouse for dashboards and reporting. But raw website clicks, customer behavior logs, and app activity could first go into a data lake. One supports business reporting. The other stores massive raw data for deeper analysis. So remember, data warehouses store clean and structured data for analytics. Data lakes store raw and flexible data for large-scale processing, and together, they power modern data systems. If you want to learn data engineering, analytics, and BI in a simple way, subscribe for more videos like this.